What is confidence? Confidence and self worth. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Why confidence is important for girls?
Your vision, our mission. It's an honor for me to introduce our first guest today, Dr. Shailaja Vasudeva. She is an associate professor at the Department of Political Science at Shahid Captain Bikram Batra Government College, Ram, Himachal Pradesh. She has over 19 years of teaching experience at the college and university levels. She has successfully guided one PhD scholar and one MPhil scholar. She has published over 35 research papers, presented more than 50 papers at the national and international conferences across India, Europe, Asia, and Africa, delivered more than 60 invited lectures, and chaired over 25 academic sessions at the national and international forums. She is also the author and editor of 11 books. She has completed one orientation program for refresher courses, more than 45 faculty development programs, and more than 20 workshops. She is also an editorial board member and reviewer for several national and international journals. And she has received a number of national and international awards. So now it's time to listen to her. And Shailaja ma'am, now the stage is yours. Over to you, Shailaja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anjan Qureshi ma'am, for inviting here. I have opted the topic finding your voice, the power of a confident girl. What is confidence and what it gives to girls? Even every woman, even male, female, everyone. Confidence gives girls the courage to dream, lead, and create change in society. I must say, confidence is must, it should be present in every girl. I will read one inspirational thought. We realize the importance of our voices only when we are silenced. This quote is given by Malala Yousafzai. What is confidence? Believing in yourself. First of all, it's very much required that we have to believe in ourselves. Only then we can grow, only then we can achieve success if we will believe in ourselves. Trusting your abilities. Each and everyone have to trust on their abilities, that if he or she will do anything, he can or she can definitely do this. Expressing ideas without fear. We should have courage to express our ideas, and we can express our ideas when we truly know about that we are doing right things, we are doing wrong things. We can't express our ideas, our thoughts without any fear. Standing for what is right is most important thing. We should stand for what is right, what can give us justice. We always stand for that things. That is confidence. Confidence and self-worth. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. I always read this quotation in my every lecture which are related to women empowerment and confidence. I must say, if you will give them opportunity to hurt you or insult you, only then anyone can hurt you, anyone can put you in trouble. When you will give that rights to that person. Why confidence is important for girls? Very important thing. Encourages leadership. If a girl is confident, he She can do leadership. She can achieve her goals. She can deal with her family, with her relatives, with her society, with her workplace if she has good leadership quality. Helps confidence, helps achieve dreams. We can see dreams very easily. We can thought I can become a teacher, I can become a lawyer, but if you want to achieve your dreams, you have to become confident that that thing should be in my hand. That kind of approach will help you to achieve your goals. Builds independence. No doubt we have to hurt to our parents if they are saying don't go late night, then yes, that is the terror which we all can see in social media and print media and in news. It's not safe, but we need to build the independent atmosphere about our education, about our goals. We have to achieve goals and we have to achieve our dreams. And one more thing is very much important to develop strong personality. If you are a weak personality, no one respects you in your home, no one respects you in society, no one respects you in your workplace. You have to become a strong personality. Breaking social barriers. Confidence helps girls overcome stereotypes, discrimination, and limitation. It's very true. We can raise our voice against injustice. We can raise our voice about discrimination, about limitation, about stereotypes. Everything. We can break the social barriers if we become confident. And everyone knows the power of voice. A girl with a voice is by definition a strong girl. Melinda French Gates given this quote: raising voice against injustice. If we know about our rights, you know that we all have so many rights: political rights, social rights, and our religious rights, our another rights. Even we have right to against domestic violence, against rape cases. We have so many rights, but we can protect our rights if we know about our rights. What are our rights? How we can use our rights? This thing is more important. Every girl should aware about their rights. Promotes equality. Don't bear any kind of injustice. Don't bear. Man can do this work only. No, don't bear such kind of statements. Raise voice against it and promote equality. Raise your voice for equality. If your parents will say that only the male child will continue his study and you have no right because you are not belongs to our family, you will married soon and investment on you is not good, then raise voice against it and promote equality and inspire others. Creates social change. Courage to speak. Speak your mind even if your voice shakes. It's a very beautiful quote by Maggie Kahn. Speak your mind even if your voice shakes. Try to speak. Try to raise your voice. Even you are afraid. This will the result come. This will the circumstances I will bear in future if I will raise voice. But even then, try to speak. Try to share your views, dreams, and ambitions. The future belongs to those who believe in their beauty of their dreams. A beautiful quote by Eleanor Roosevelt. Building confidence. What can build confidence in all of us? Education and knowledge. It's the first and foremost weapon for us to build confidence. Positive thinking. Never think negative. Never. Always stay positive. Think about positive things and participate in every activity which you get chance. Go for it and participate. Learn from your failures. Don't afraid you will fail if you will do this. Don't afraid for such kind of things. You have to learn from your failures. Remember that. It's starting for your success. Support system, parents, teachers, and society must encourage and support girls' growth. It's a fact. Strength of women. There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Michelle Obama. The most beautiful thing, impact of one confident girl. A confident girl can inspire a classroom, transform a family, and influence. It's absolutely true. A confident girl can inspire a classroom, even a family, even influence the community. It's a fact. I will share one very popular quote with you. If a man will educated, only a man is educated. If a woman is educated, whole family, whole society, she could, so she did. It's a motivational thought. In conclusion, when girls rise with confidence, families grow stronger, societies become fairer, and nation progress. My final message is, when girls find their voice, the world begins to listen. Every girl should learn to speak over every situation. If she will become expressive, she can share her views, she can share her mind thoughts, and she can raise their voice. This is my final message to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a wonderful, very lovely and powerful presentation. I loved the way you explained your message with different codes. Like, yes, of course, there is no limit to what we women can accomplish. And I love that sentence. The most beautiful thing that a woman can bear is confidence. Yes, we need confidence, because if we are not confident enough, we can't be doing anything in life. And as you said, if anyone makes you feel inferior, it is just because we allowed them to do. Thank you.